All right, now the last one we are going to be making is the baby. Now the picture that I have found also has blood running down the side, but I feel like I don't want to add that because every character that I've made so far has had blood running down their face. I don't know why that's a theme that's going on today. So I did make blood for this particular one. If it looks good, I'll add it. If not, but I feel like the blood running down is kind of getting redundant. But I'm gonna show you the pieces. Now this project, or the baby only has the parts aren't that much this time. So again, you're going to cut out 2 circular things of white felt. Those are going to be your pupils. This is the mouth. And this is going to signify the blood. Now I am going to show you how to make each part. I'm going to show you how to make the blood as well, but if I like it, I'll leave it on. If not, it's your option whether you want to make it or not, or put it on your thing. But there is also a different picture of the baby where he has no blood, so I think I'm not going to use it. I'm not sure yet. All depends on how it looks. But I'm going to start showing you how to make the parts of the baby. So back to and of course the head's made the same. Now going to the eyes are made the same way I believe the other the Cyclopia eyes were made. So again, you are going to make a running yarn. Again, you are going to make your magic circle, and you're going to put 10 single crochet into that magic circle. The eyes are made the exact same way that the Cyclopia eyes were made. So that'll be in the description. You'll just be able to read that. I do add a key to all of my descriptions just so you can see the abbreviations of it as well. But the eyes are made the same. Now the mouth is also made the same. The mouth is also almost made the same as the eyes on the pale Fluffy, but instead of the mouth, you'll chain 7. I could show you how to do that one. Where's my yarn? Okay, so for the mouth, you're going to chain 7 single crochet down. I'll show you a little bit. I just didn't want to try to refer you back to the eyes of the 4, 5, 6, 7. The eyes of the pale Fluffy, because it's not made fully the same way that this is made. So I don't want to confuse you. But you're going to chain 7 and single crochet down that row. And this is the starting row. So after you finish this starting row, you are going to chain 1, turn, and you're going to single crochet down this row, all the way down this row. And when you get to the end, oh, I'm not even in the camera, not even in the frame, you're going to single crochet down this row, and when you are done, you're going to chain 1. Oh, come on now. Chain 1, turn your work, and you are going to do an increase in and for row 2, you're going to do an increase in the beginning and end of the row, not a decrease, an increase. So you're going to go back into that same stitch, increase, then you're going to single crochet back down into the last stitch, and you're going to increase, and then you're going to yarn off. So after you do that, you will get the pieces that I have. Now I'm going to sew on my ends, and then I'm going to show you how to assemble the baby, and then we will be done with these little projects. Alright, now we are going for the baby. So you're going to take the babies with the light brown yarn, and I have taken off my strings and everything like that. So I'm about to I'm about to glue on the eyes. So I'm going to push this out, and the pupils are on the top right this time. And it's easy for the felt because you could just push it down. Ooh, still burnt myself. Lord have mercy. Still burnt myself. And they're both on the top right part of the thing. I'm still gonna use my thing because I kind of just burnt myself just now. I do maybe recommend using gloves when you do this because this heat is no joke. Okay, now that is on, I'm gonna take my head, find the best area that I want to stick this on, and I'm going to stick on my eyeballs. So, I may need to put more glue on that, and I'm gonna stick on my eyeballs. So I'm gonna glue this one on. I'm slowly running out of glue. Don't fall off. Alright. So I'm going to stick that right there. And I'm going to push this down and around. Okay. Now you're going to do it with the other eye. Make sure that the... I ran out of dang glue. Okay. I'm going to put this over here. Make sure that it is. Oh. Alright. Now that's, look, I'm going to put one more my glue stick in. This is getting too hot. So, I'm going to do that. Now, you have the mouth, which the mouth portion sort of sits up like this. That's how it looks. So, the mouth is like this, and then the blood comes down like this. So, I'm going to glue on the mouth first, right here. Goes about right there. I'm going to glue on the mouth. Ooh, I almost dropped this. And I'm going to see if I like... Come on, glue gun. I'm going to see if I like the way the blood will look on here. I'll tuck that little string. Tuck it in. I need my stitch marker. Not my stitch marker. My stitch needle. And then stitch needle. Good lord. Yarn needle. Push this down as well. I'm going to add a little bit more glue on this side because that's coming up. I'm going to push that down. Glue is sort of coming up at the bottom too. And push that down. Okay. So there you go. Now that is the blood. I mean, that's the mouth. Now the blood is supposed to go from right underneath this all the way down like that, and that's how it's supposed to look. But honestly, I feel like it just looks like a guy in a mustache, so I'm gonna leave the blood out. So this is the baby, which I think it looks actually pretty cute. So I'm going to line up my little babies. It's cute because it's the baby. Line up my little babies, and I will come back to show you the full projects in order, and then we will be done. Alright, now these are the projects that we have made in order. You have Cyclopia, the Pale Fluffy, and the baby. Now the next, if you guys still want me to continue making these projects, The next Binding of Isaac video that I probably will have will be on Halloween, because the Binding of Isaac is sort of like a, you know, sort of creepy, not really a creepy game, but I feel like it's befitting of Halloween. So the next time you'll see that is probably around Halloween time. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you very soon. Bye.